Let's see how to delete a blank page in Microsoft Word. First, we want to open Microsoft Word. Now, for example, we have a blank page that we want to delete, as you can see here. If it's made up of spaces that you only click enter, you can simply highlight it up to the end of the page, click on backspace, and that page will be removed. However, for more tricky parts, such as page breaks, clicking backspace will not delete the page, as you can see here. To delete a section break, simply click this icon on the Home tab, and that will show all the hidden breaks in your document. Highlight the section break, and click backspace. And as you can see, it has now been removed and there are no more unwanted pages in your document. And that's how you remove unwanted pages in your document. See you soon!